This is a Dodge Ram Power Wagon rat rod. Body's 3D printed, front grill's 3D printed, motor's 3D printed. This is a Cummins 903. We have some actual wood in the bed. The fuel cell is actually from the stock Gelande 2 chassis. It's usually in back here underneath. You got some fuel lines, power wires, fuel filler. The chassis is actually from the Gelande as well, but the shot towers are SEX10 aluminum version. Let's have a look inside. So inside we've got an older HPI radio, a 16BL30 ESC with an added fan, Robinson Racing 87 tooth 47 pitch, a custom made 1/4 inch motor mount plate. This thing will not bend at all. The motor, this is something brand new. The motor is a Holmes Hobbies Revolver version 2. It is basically what they call a snub nose outrunner. So basically it's the outside of the motor that spins. This thing has a crazy amount of torque. These are 14 poles. It's a 540 size still, 1800 kV, and like I said, it's got an insane amount of torque. Now, what about these white walls? These are Boom Racing Hustlers MTX 4.75. These tires actually perform better and better as you wear them out. These rims are also Boom Racing. They're the heaviest high mass wheels I believe are available on the market. Okay, so as you can see, the frame rails are from the Gelande. The transmission mount is actually a Boom Racing SEX10 unit with a 3D printed skid plate area, because for some reason these are not exactly flush mounted. Again, 3D mounted plates for mounting the electronics, 3D printed battery tray, Team Raffi shocks. The differentials, the differential gearboxes are actually, for lack of a better word, cheap knockoffs. They're actually SEX10. Everything internally fits SEX10 components. So these basically are $100 for the set. Now when I took them out for the first run, it snapped the universal joint, or what they call the CVDs. So I had to replace them. So all I did was replace them with STL RC parts, which are exact SEX10 replacement parts. The steering link is solid stainless steel. Drive shafts are cheapy, they will get replaced eventually. But all in all, I love this truck. It performs insanely well. So that's it. That is my rat rod.
So easily open up your eyes and see there's more to our story.